Hello, today we are going to discuss about the saving function. So in our previous video already we have discussed about the consumption function. So today we are going to discuss about the consumption function. So consumption function is the functional relationship between savings and national income or income. So it means in here S for savings, Y for national income, and F for functional relationship. Okay, so it means S is depend on income, more income, so you can save more. Okay, so saving function means what? Functional relationship between saving and income. So in here you have seen in the left hand side S and the right hand side Y. So savings is depend on income. So S for savings, Y for national income, and F for functional relationship. So now you see we have assumed some data. For example, for Y 0, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500 and 600. Then C we have assumed suppose 40, 120, 200, 280, 360, 440 and 520. From here you can calculate the savings. So income 0, consumption is 40. Consumption is 40, then your saving is minus 40. Income is 100, consumption is 120, so minus 20. Income 200, consumption 200, then savings 0. So like this, when income is 500, consumption 440, then your savings is plus 60. So now I will show you the saving curve. See here. This one is the OX axis. I will draw here. O, X, Y. OX denotes suppose income. Okay. Income. And in here they are showing about the savings. S. So now you see this S. So this step S starts from the minus 40. So in graph paper, I think you know, na? This one is the positive side and this one is the minus negative side. So it means savings curve will not start from here. It will start from the negative part here because minus 40, then minus 20. And after that, it starts to rise. So directly I will draw. See. So it means this minus savings. See here minus 40 and minus 20. So already I told you that in graph paper this shows the positive and this one is the negative. So this minus 40 and minus 20 I have shown here. This one. So this O to S, it means still here this is this saving. And this point is the break even point where already you know S is equal 0. It means see here 200 is equal to 200. 200 is equal to 200. So savings is 0. So this point represent 200 is equal to 200. Y is equal to C. So savings 0. And when they will cross this point, it means after this point, you see your savings starts 20, 40, 60, 80. See this curve. Clear? So what you understood? It means the previous time you have seen that savings is in negative. So this portion. After this break even point only, saving is positive. So savings curve, see here, so it starts from here, S is equal to 0. Is it clear? Again you see, so your savings is in minus 40 when income is equal to 0 because consumption is 40, autonomous consumption. So your savings curve starts from this negative part. When 200 is equal to 200, it means income and consumption both are equal. In the last video, we came to know that this is called the break-even point, where savings is 0. So see here, savings is 0. It means Y is equal C, consumption is equal income. After this break-even point only, saving is positive. So see, it slopes upward. This is the derivation of saving curve. Very simple. Now you see some important points regarding this savings curve. Starting point of number 1, starting point of saving curve. So you have seen that, see, savings curve start from this S, point S. Why? Because you have seen that savings is minus 40 when income is 0. So it means it doesn't start from the positive point, from the negative point. So that's why we have started from point S. Slope of saving curve, so you have seen that it slopes upward, not the downward, parallel or like this. So savings slopes upward. See, break-even point. Break-even point means what? When savings is equal 0. In the last video already we have discussed. So S is equal 0. Positive savings. So when they cross this point, it means after the break-even point, savings is positive. Okay, so this is all about the saving function. I think it's very easy and simple to understand, but if you have any problem to understand, let me know in the comment section below, and definitely